Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ, and today we are doing the 5 likes we love about our sub £1,000 E38. And the first one I liked straight away was the very next morning, and we had a frost, and that was the electric heated windscreen. Yeah, blimey, the complicated one. Yeah, the heated windscreen
is my favourite. It's also my nemesis. And if you're wondering what's my nemesis, click up here somewhere and you'll see a video of 5 things we don't exactly like with our E38. But I do like it as well, and that is the electrically opened boot or trunk. And it's even got the soft closure too. Now, today, that might not be that impressive, is it? But we're talking 1998 here.
Also, I think, which is quite cool, is the insulation, which, you know, come on, think back, 1998, and yeah, the doors, the arches, they're all insulated, and I think it's a wonderful thing.
Talk about wonderful things. The lights on here when you open your door, so motorists coming up the road can see that there's a door open. There's also puddle lights, and on this they all work amazingly. How many times has this door been banged and the lights don't work?
So on this one you have the DSP audio system, which incorporated a very nice subwoofer, I think it was.
I don't know what exactly it's got.
Yeah,
well, I know it's got 2 big speakers. I think it's got like an amp.
Yeah, well, amp and different speakers in the back parcel shop.
Another thing I like, and this is going to probably enrage the E38 community and all the forums here I'm typing now, is I prefer pre-facelift front headlights better than facelift headlights. I always think that the facelift headlights are a bit of an afterthought. Really.
And yeah, I agree with that. And they do look a bit, dare I say, cheap.
Cheap, yeah. Because look, I remember when I first saw one, about 2008, when I was started getting into BMWs, and I thought somebody actually fitted them themselves from like an aftermarket person.
Yeah.
I didn't realise, but like it was a facelifty thing. But I prefer pre-facelift front headlight. And that's been 5 things we love about our BMW E38.
So if you like, then keep your eyes peeled for further episodes in the series.
But at this point I'd like to say thanks for watching,
and bye bye. And yes, it is raining again. It's raining.